Not gonna lie, bro. Buddy got all this. And look, he got the whole cake. The whole setup, even the almond chocolate bar. Got the ribs and the spaghetti, all that stuff. And he still won't let us eat it, bro. Wow. He's still making us starve. Like, he does not want us to eat, bro. I swear. Like, I've been here since like 10 something, bro. Wow. At least 10:30, bro. How long is the starvation gonna last, bro? Like, how long, bro? You want us to like start like? What you mean?
You don't love this guy, bro.
What you mean, man? He's starving us right now.
You're saying hungry.
He refuses to feed us the ribs, man. He's being stingy with the ribs. Oh man, I do. Hey, what about spaghetti? You eat spaghetti? I ain't gonna lie. I'll let y'all know when I get my plate. If he ever gives it, give it to us. Am I really hungry though? Like, am I tripping? I might be tripping.
They probably got chicken too.
Yeah. So right now, taking out the garbage, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I didn't even get to record my point, bro. I ate bro. I had some spaghetti, I had ribs, I had croissants, I had a whole fruit bowl, and they just got chicken, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to get a whole new plate. Then I'm about to show y'all that one. But my first one, it looked pretty. I ain't gonna lie. I could have got some greens though. I told myself I was gonna try something new, but I don't know, man. Like, I really just feel like eating like just the main dish, cause like, dog. They made me start off with 2 of them, bro. Like, I was the main one wanted to eat, bro. I feel so fat, dog. But I got to gain weight anyway, so hopefully these ribs will help. Because after this, I'm probably going to go to the gym. Actually, no. After this, I'm going to be recording a video for my boy, Lamar. I think, and Darius. Because I don't think Darius doing none of this, too, so. Yeah. Nice little video shot. Then. So, I don't know, man. The rest is history. I'll let y'all know what we don't know. Matter of fact, no, I'm gonna show you my plate when we get in there. No cap. I already had like a whole chicken leg and a whole like few bites, but the joint hit, no cap. Yeah, what's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy G to the O. Back again with another video, and today I'm about to be in the gym. You feel me? I don't know what I'm about to do yet, but I'm definitely gonna do something. I'm probably gonna do this one right here, or this one. What's this one? Pull it. I'm probably gonna do this one, but y'all gonna watch it. Bro, this feels mad weird. Like, I should not be doing this. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do this one. I ain't gonna lie. Yes, sir. I'm on this one right here. It's probably the best one. Start. Yes, sir. It's a cool little workout, I ain't gonna lie. Even though my knee hurt a little bit. Killing it. Nice little workout. Hey, hold on, me zoom this out. If y'all not doing nothing right now, go ahead. Either get outside because it's beautiful. I don't know. I'm dropping this in like 9 days. So I don't know what the weather's gonna be, but sure. Yeah, you probably I should just scratch that because I was gonna say go outside because it's beautiful. Well, today's beautiful. I'm gonna go outside after I work out. Plus, I'm in Norwood Apartments, dog. Like, bro, this is like really my childhood apartments. Like, ever since like I think 7th grade, 6th grade, summer, 7th grade. Dog, I was here almost every day, though. Let me tell you. I ain't gonna lie, I miss it. I miss all the fun times. I miss just everything, though. I feel so old now, because before I was just running around. I remember walking through the woods to go to Fox Hill Glen, play basketball. I remember going to the Halo Burger through the grass and stuff. If you from here, if you from GB, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I used to walk. Now, like, I drove around the whole like apartments at least like 4 times since I've been here, and I've been at my boy on Darius' open house. Whew, man, that's kind of hit, right? But yeah, bro, like, this is mad nostalgic. I ain't gonna lie. I wish we could go in the pool, but it's closed, sadly. So yeah, but I don't know. It's just like everything is just feels like it's like an energy that's just over me. Like, I almost wanted to cry. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it's just a great feeling being back to like where I used to be and being so much different, you know? Like, I don't know. I just be thinking like that, but I'm gonna holler at y'all if I do anything different. Oh yeah, I think I told you I'm supposed to be recording today some videos for my boy Lamar and Darius. I feel like I definitely told y'all, but we'll see in the edits.